Welcome, students. Yesterday, I have given you some homework. I think you might have done. If not, I am again explaining it. So, what to do? Look carefully. The question is fill in the grid with words given below. You can use one word more than once. So, in the grid, some words have been given: stick, bat ball, 11, table, racket, ball, football, stadium, 2 to 4, and ground. Now, one grid is there. In first column, name of the games. ठीक है ना? Cricket, hockey, table tennis, football. These are the names of the games. In second one, what you play with means किससे खेलते हो ये games. Next one is where you play it. कहाँ खेलते हो ये games means cricket कहाँ पर खेलते हैं. Where do you play hockey? Where do you play table tennis? Where do you play football? And the last one is number of players. Okay. Now, how will you make the sentences? First of all, you will complete the grid. After that, below you can see how you will make the sentences. If you might have felt any problem, I am making it clear. So, listen and try to understand it carefully. Now, what is written there? Using the information in the grid, write a sentence about each game. One has been done for you. So, to make 3 sentences for one particular game is not difficult. Now, try to understand which one should be your first sentence, which one will be your second, and which one will be your third sentence. So, first of all, I will take the game cricket. Okay? So, first sentence you will make about the type of game it is, means whether it is indoor game or it is outdoor game. So you very well know that cricket is an outdoor game. So your first sentence will be for each and every game about indoor or outdoor, whether the particular game is indoor or outdoor. I think now it will be clear for you and easy for you. So, one example has been given. Cricket is an indoor game. Likewise, first sentence, when you will make for hockey, it will be hockey is an what type of game? Indoor or outdoor? You will write about that. Table tennis, what type of game? Where can it be played? Indoor or outdoor? Think about it. Then make first sentence for each. And football, what type of game? So A, B, and on next page, 55 page, there is C and D. So like this, you will write first sentence for all the games. So it will be easy for you to understand if you will do repeated practice of same type of sentence first. Now we will look second sentence. We play it with a bat and a ball. Now second sentence you will make कि आप ये गेम किससे खेलते हो. Now in this grid words have been written. आप देखिए कि ये गेम किससे खेलते हैं. तो क्रिकेट आप किससे खेलते हैं? What you play with? किससे खेलते हैं? Definitely you will choose bat and ball. तो second sentence आप क्या बनाएंगे? We play it with bat and a ball. This sentence was for cricket. Now you will make for hockey. How will you make the sentence? We play it, and you will write this sentence here. We play it with, how do you play hockey? With stick and ball. You will write here stick and ball. Now the third, table tennis. How do you play it? First, make second sentence for each. Because you will make 4 sentences for each game based on same pattern, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So, second sentence for hockey will be, we play it like this. You can see the earlier sentence or the example given in the book. We play it with a stick and a ball. Second sentence is over. Now make the sentence for table tennis. And where will you write it? You will write it for table tennis here. Here you will write this one. And for the next game, you will write here. Okay? Clear? So you are making the sentence for hockey. It is over. Now you are going to make the sentence for table tennis. We play it with a ball and a racket. So you write here ball and racket, and you will make the sentence on the next page. We play table tennis with a ball and a racket. Clear? Now the fourth one was football. And the answer will be based on what you play with. किससे खेलते हैं? फुटबॉल आपको मालूम है किससे खेलते हैं? Okay, it is clear. Football. This one. And where will you write it? You will write it on the next page. Here you will write. What will you write? We play it with a football. Okay. So 4 sentences based on same pattern. This will give you an easy practice. Okay. Now the third sentence. In the example, third sentence has been given. There are 11 players in this game. But here in second column, you can see here, what will you write? What you play with? Cricket, red ball, hockey, stick and ball, table tennis, ball and racket, and football. Where you play it? These games are played where? कहाँ खेलते हो? So on the first place, you will write cricket, ground, hockey, stadium, ground. You can also say table tennis, stadium. You can also say ground. Sorry, in your houses, if the room is big, you can play table tennis, because I play. Stadium also is right, but ground is not right. And football, where? Ground. This you will fill, but you are not going to make any sentences based on this answer. Okay. First was about indoor and outdoor, like this. Second, based on with which you play, this. And the third one is based on number of players. So you should know how many players are there in each and every game. So this is your assignment. If you know it, you write in each column. If you don't know, you search and write, and then make the sentences and write on the third line for each. You can look at the example. There are 11 players in this game. In which game? In cricket. There are 11 players in cricket. Now, how many players are there in hockey, in table tennis, and in football? This you will find out or search from the net and write in the third line for each game. So, complete this after half an hour. I will take the name of any student. He or she will write the answer or send the audio message in the group how many players are there in the particular game. So listen the audio when I will send, and I will call you by your name. You will give the answer. No need to make the video. ऑडियो पर ही आप आएंगे और मैं जिस बच्चे का नाम लूंगी वो बताएगा कि हॉकी में कितने प्लेयर्स हैं अपने ऑडियो के द्वारा. ये काम अभी ग्रुप में चलेगा. आई एम गिविंग यू हाफ एन आवर. अगर आपने पहले कंप्लीट कर लिया है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अगर कंप्लीट नहीं किया है तो अभी आधे घंटे में करिए, फिर हम इसको कंप्लीट करते हैं और अगले पेज की एक्सरसाइज क्लियर करते हैं. ओके, आई थिंक नाउ एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. नाउ फिनिश इट. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. हैव अ नाइस टाइम.